Hello friends, today we are going to learn efficiency versus effectiveness. This is a very confusing topic. However, how many times we would have gone through with this, read this, but still sometimes we get confused. So I have come with very easy examples so that you are not going to forget this and you will be easily able to understand what is the difference between them. Effectiveness, doing the right things to achieve your goals. Efficiency, doing things in the right way using minimum time, cost, and efforts. Example: a farmer who grows healthy crops that meet the market demand is an effective farmer. Efficient farmer is the farmer who uses water, fertilizers, and time wisely to get the best result with minimum waste. So, who is the best farmer, the efficient one or the effective one? I'll say it is both because he has to meet the need of the people and also he has to use the resources wisely without wasting it. Now, let's understand the example of a manager. An effective manager is the manager who reaches to the end, that is the goal, like to increase sale, to increase the profit, and when he meets that, he is effective manager. But while doing that, he's wasting the resources and he's not using the money properly, then he is not efficient. So, who is the efficient manager who minimizes the cost, time, and energy in order to meet the goal? Is the efficient manager. So, who is the best manager? The best manager is the one who uses both effectiveness and efficiency. If a manager increases sales but wastes too much of money, he is effective but not efficient. If he saves money and fails to achieve the goal, he is efficient but not effective. So let's understand, if you're cooking, your food tastes great, you're effective because you have met the goal. But if you have also cooked it quickly by using very less ingredients and by not wasting the gas, then you are efficient. So, effectiveness is about achieving the end result, and efficiency is about using the very less resources. So, let's have it's a mnemonic to understand and to remember this. Effectiveness is equal to end result, efficiency is equal to energy saved. So, in management, effectiveness means achieving the organization goal, and efficiency means achieving them at the lowest possible cost. And who is a good manager? A good manager is the one who balances both effectiveness, which ensures the success, and efficiency, which ensures the sustainability. So, with this, I hope you are clear with your doubt what is effectiveness versus efficiency. And if you found my video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe, and comment your suggestions in the comment box so that I can keep uploading the videos as per your choice. Thank you so much for watching.